Hi guys, and welcome back to episode 3 on Chaffles for Life. Well, today we're making these delicious pickle Chaffles. And without further ado, why don't we just go right into the recipe, and I'll do a little bit of a voiceover over the timeline. And again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Okay, for this particular recipe, we took 3 eggs and added a little salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of everything else, seasoned bagel in. I was putting maybe half a teaspoon of each, just whatever I thought. And then I whisked the eggs up together and got the mini dash going. And then I used regular store-bought pickles. They weren't kosher or anything like that, but I had enough of my macros at the end of the day to have this, and I wanted to just see if they'd work. And what I did over here at this point there, I put them on a paper towel to kind of like dry up some of the moisture that was in the pickles. And then once the mini dash was heated up, I ended up putting a couple of slices of the provolone cheese coming up in the next segment over here in the video, and then they added the pickles right over the top of the mini dash on the slice of cheese, and the egg mixture after I poured it, closed the lid, and then I had it on a paper towel so in case it made a little bit of a mess. And worked out pretty well for me. And the mini dash is heated up, and make sure you use a paper towel or something to lift up the lid because it will be hot. And that's the cheese that we use, a Sargento provolone ultra thin cheese, and any cheese will work, by the way. And then I just look at what I'm doing, and guys, will be fine. And you can see I had a little bit of a mess there, but no big deal. And just continue to repeat the process to the end of the video. And these sandwiches are great for, like, if you want like a hamburger or something like that. And I ended up eating mine plain. I was just hungry for a snack. But yeah, anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Let's continue on with the process, then I'll come back and I'll talk about it. Okay, our Chaffles are done, and there you have our final product. And again, they were very good and very tasty. And Chaffles are great. You can make them just about any way and how you want to make them. And again, it'll work with any kind of cheese, the shredded cheese, And again, we're going to be making a series of new Chaffle recipes for you every day. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.